In this video I want to talk you about my future mode. As you can see from my previous videos, I'm going to install some CLK55 AMG Airbox on my M113 engine, and now I will show you what I must do to mount it on my engine properly. First of all, I must relocate the mass airflow sensor from here to here on the back of the engine, very close to the throttle body. For it I have already bought some elbows and clips. Then I must simply remove this air duct tube and the main job of this is to extend the harness for mass airflow sensor. Here you can see the stock harness, and it is enough short to connect to the mass airflow sensor when it will be relocated on the back of the engine. That's why I must extend it, and if you have some advices how to do it, please give them me. The next challenge for me are these two tubes. One from them is fuel line and other is vacuum line. Here you can see the fuel line, and if I don't modify it, I simply will not be able to put the cover left bank on the engine. So I am going to put some other fuel lines from W210 chassis on my car. You know, they are stainless steel and the problem will solve. And here is another problem. It is the brake booster line, which goes, the vacuum line which goes here. And to say the truth, I have no idea now what to do with this line. So once again, please, if you have some advices, tell me how to do this line properly to let the engine cover, AMG engine cover, to sit on my engine properly. Here I will use some tubes from another Mercedes cars to give my engine breathe properly from cold air. For this purpose I will use one stock air snorkel, and another one will be placed on the driver's side headlight, back of it. So here is my engine and my plans, so stay tuned. I will inform you about my future modes. Once again, thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe, and goodbye.